These are things you should consider when buying a home.
The first thing to consider is price. Siyempre, pag bumibili ng property, ako ang una kong tinitignan, is it within my budget? So I make sure that I account for everything that I'm spending for at kung kakayanin yon ng isa pang gastos, which is the monthly na binibigay dito sa property na binili ko. The second thing is know the developer and research about their track record. Nakakarinig na naman kasi tayo ng mga bad experiences pagdating sa pagbili ng bahay o pagbibuild ng mga dream homes. But to prevent that, one of the first things that you really must consider is the developer's reputation and of course yung track record nila. Ovia Land is committed to building sustainable and vibrant communities since 2014. They're focused on serving this continuously growing aspirational market by making sure that its product range remains first-rate at all times. Ang pangatlo na dapat i-consider ay move-in time. Dahil, syempre, pag bumili tayo ng bahay, gusto natin agad-agad maka-move-in na tayo, di ba? Ovia Land can deliver homes in as fast as 3 to 6 months. And, I understand that most home buyers want to move into their new homes as soon as possible, and with the help of Ovia Land, they made that dream a reality. The efficient construction process ensures fast delivery of our dream home, typically in just 3 to 6 months. Ovia Land's precast construction allows it to build homes